Hi, Claudia here. I'm back, and I want to show you what I thought, how I'm gonna do my closure, because it's very important that you have your idea before you do anything else. But Claudia, it works in a different way. So what I did was I cut a piece of chipboard, but this is a folder, and I put some of the tiles from the game here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add it to the back. The best possible way. And because it's going to be moving, I want to make sure that it has a lot of glue. Because what I'm doing is I'm covering partially the band. So, oops, okay, that's fine. Now we go with the outside. And we do the same here. Okay, so this is going to be the closure. How? I'm going to attach it here, and I'm gonna glue this one on top because I don't want, when the idea of this one is going down here, and if I don't cover, it's gonna get stuck with this one. So I want to see if I can, let's see, if I put it here, I have to go a little bit in, let's see. Oh yes, it's more than enough. And so you just put it under, and that is your closure. So before I put it here, obviously this piece is too long, so I'm gonna take it off. I know that has to be on my curve here. And this one, I want to put it in the center, and I'm gonna make a little mark. And because I want everything to match my cover, let's see if it's straight. It looked like, okay. Now, the most important thing is this side has to be glued very well, because we want to keep it sealed so it's not going to interfere with the with the closure. And I did that so you see the glue come out. That way I know for sure the borders are sealed. And let me see if I can. I think I can do it after and let it dry. Okay. Oops. And the name. I would love to have it here. But I don't know. I really, really like it here. So I'm going to glue this one. Let me put a mark here. I hope it's straight. And so now here I'm going to put the glue in the back. And at front only halfway to make sure that when I put my closure it's not touching. I have my corner here and here. I don't know if I can put, it's not gonna get there. Okay. Okay, I want to glue it there. Trying to have it straight. And what I'm going to do now, because I want to match the texture outside, is I'm going to get something to put it down here. Something. And I'm gonna add this because this is what I use to give the shiny finishing. So and this one need to rest like 20 minutes to be dry. Oops. I don't want to put more than what is necessary because I don't want to wait that long. think I'm done. I'm gonna take this one out because I don't need it. I'm not gonna close the journal because this one need to dry, but the journal, the closure is gonna get in here. Let me get a piece of, it's going to get here, you see, it's going to go around and come here to close the journal. Well, that's all for today. I hope you like it. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment, and I'll be back to you. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.